Hello, the King of Swords in Tarot. Well, the King of Swords is a card of intellect, authority, and ethical leadership, representing the mastery of the element of air. He embodies rational thinking, clear communication, and the ability to make fair and balanced decisions. Now, the King of Swords encourages us to lead with wisdom, truth, and integrity. Let's explore its symbolism, the Rider-Waite imagery, astrological associations, and interpretations. So, the general meaning of the King of Swords. Well, the King of Swords is the ultimate intellectual clarity and moral authority figure. He uses logic and reason to lead and make decisions based on fairness and justice. This card often signifies mental clarity and wisdom, and the ability to analyze situations subjectively and make sound judgments. It's a card of leadership and authority, commanding respect through rationality, expertise, and ethical behavior. It's about truth and integrity, a commitment to honesty and fairness in all dealings, clear communication, expressing our ideas with precision and confidence. It's a card of discipline and structure, a reminder to stay focused and organized. The King of Swords teaches that authority comes from clarity of thought, ethical leadership, and the power of the spoken word. In the Rider-Waite depiction of the King of Swords, he is regal and commanding. The king is seated on his throne. His upright posture and forward gaze reflect confidence, authority, and a clear sense of purpose. The upright sword represents truth, intellect, and justice. Its position signifies clarity, honesty, and moral alignment. The blue sky with the light clouds, while the background is primarily transparent, suggesting mental clarity. But the few clouds hint at the complexity of the decisions he faces. The throne's carvings, butterflies, representing transformation, and crescent moons, symbolizing intuition, adorn the throne, suggesting that the king balances logic with subtle awareness. The king's attire, his robe and crown emphasize his status, while the cool blue tones reflect air's calm and composed energy. So this imagery highlights the king's intellectual mastery, his ability to lead fairly, and his unwavering commitment to truth. Astrological associations are with Gemini and Mercury, and the King of Swords is associated with Gemini, which is a mutable air sign, and its ruling planet Mercury. This connection emphasizes the king's intellectual sharpness, mastery of communication, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances with clarity and precision. Gemini traits. Gemini is known for its quick thinking, curiosity, and exceptional ability to communicate and gather information. It thrives on intellectual stimulation and versatility. The King of Swords reflects Gemini's analytical mind, its strategic decision-making, and focuses on truth and fairness in all interactions. So this card symbolizes the power of logic and the ability to lead with clarity and wisdom in complex situations. Mercury, as the ruler, governs communication, intellect, and adaptability. It aligns with the king's ability to articulate ideas effectively, analyze situations critically, and respond swiftly to challenges. Mercury's influence also highlights the king's role as a clear and authoritative communicator, capable of delivering judgments or decisions with precision and integrity. Through this astrological lens, the King of Swords represents the power of intellect combined with mastery in communication and fairness. He embodies the qualities of a leader who relies on logic, adaptability, and truth to guide his decisions and inspire confidence. Some key interpretations, when positive, are clear judgment, authority and leadership, and rational communication, discipline and organization, truth and justice. When negative, there may be a misuse of authority, maybe acting or domineering in a manipulative or unethical way, coldness or detachment, overemphasizing logic at the expense of the emotional connection, poor judgment, making decisions without full information, bias to interfere, lack of communication, struggling to articulate thoughts in a communicative way, or rigidity, being overly inflexible or unwilling to consider alternative perspectives. The King of Swords can appear as a person in your life, as someone who's intelligent, fair, and authoritative, often a leader, a mentor, or an advisor. An aspect of yourself. Maybe it's a call to embrace your intellectual power and lead with integrity, or a situation where there is a need for objective analysis and clear communication. The King's Sword and the clear sky emphasize his connection to the air element, which governs intellect, communication, and rationality. Butterflies and crescent moons on the throne suggest that he respects decision-making with transformation and intuitive aspects, even in his logical approach. His poised and composed demeanor reminds us to approach challenges calmly. When interpreting the King of Swords, focus on intellect and fairness. Consider its element of air and look at it in the context of the spread. The King's position will clarify whether he represents a person, an energy, or a specific situation in your life. So within the court cards, the King of Swords represents mastery of intellect and communication. Pages exploring these ideas. The knight actively pursues them, and the queen nurtures them with wisdom and compassion. Compared to the major arcana, well, the King of Swords focuses on personal mastery of intellect, leadership, and communication. The major arcana reflects more prominent life themes or spiritual lessons. The King of Swords symbolizes intellect, authority, and ethical leadership. So the King of Swords symbolizes intellect, authority, and ethical leadership. The Rider-Waite imagery captures his composure, clarity, and commitment to truth, reminding us to lead with wisdom and integrity, whether representing a person, a mindset, or a situation. The King of Swords encourages you to embrace your intellectual power, communicate effectively, and make decisions that align with your highest principles. A quick pause here because I have something exciting to share. Over at tarotwithanmarie.com, I've got a whole treasure chest of tools to help you grow as a tarot reader. And they are not just courses. These are ebooks packed with insights, fun quizzes to test your knowledge, and even a free natal chart calculator, which will help you blend your astrology in your readings. If you're enjoying this tutorial, you'll love diving into the resources. Are perfect for expanding your skills and having a little fun along the way. All right, let's jump back into this tutorial. Thank you so much for spending the time with me today. Remember, your growth as a tarot reader is a journey, and every step counts. If you're ready to dive deeper and truly transform your readings, head over to tarotwithanmarie.com and check out my courses. You can always check out my podcasts here on YouTube, Learn Tarot and Tarot Twists. Until next time, happy reading, and I'll see you in the next video.